All right, 5-day deal, guys. If you don't know what I'm talking about, it's a big bundle of a bunch of products, tutorials, software, and for 152 bucks, you can get like $6,000 worth of product and software. It's an incredible deal, but we are still getting so many comments and complaints and questions after our last video. People don't really know what they're paying for. They don't know how to buy it. They don't know how to find the art behind the headshot, the product that we're putting in here. So in this video, I'm going to go through everything. I'm going to answer everyone's questions, and I'm actually going to buy this myself and walk you through it step by step, because the truth is I don't really know all the details either. Now, if you don't want to watch this entire video, the basic premise is you can click on the link in the description, you can go over to 5-day deal, you can buy a package for $152, and it's going to come with $6,000 worth of software and tutorials, including our tutorial with Peter Hurley, the art behind the headshot. We made this tutorial years ago, people love it. I think it's a great deal, 152 bucks for this tutorial alone, but then you also get $6 grand worth of other stuff as well. Now, for everyone else who still has questions about whether this is a scam and how it works and how to get the files and how much it costs, let's start from the very beginning. If you go to the 5-day deal website using the link below, this is what it looks like, and I agree. It looks like one of those scam websites that you click on Facebook that's like, make $1 million a day from home by not doing any work, and it just scrolls forever, and there's infinite amounts of information and text. Now, the basic premise here, the only thing that you really need to know is that there are 3 different packages, and to get the art behind the headshot, you need to buy all 3 packages. Now, if you just go to the very top and click on buy now, it's 89 bucks, and what it's going to do is it's going to try to upsell you to this charity package, which is an additional $24. And then after that, it's going to try to upsell you to a pro add-on bonus. Some people are saying that's never popping up. Again, I'm sorry, I don't know why they designed it like this. I think it's much easier to scroll down past all of this mess. Keep going, keep going. And when you see these 3 ovals, this is what you want right here. The one on the left, buy the bundle plus the charity bonus plus the pro bundle add-on. Now, your next question is probably, well, what does this come with? Because maybe I already bought the art behind the headshot, or I'm not interested in headshot photography, so I don't want to spend $152 for that tutorial alone. And you could scroll endlessly on this page and try to read every single thing, and you'll be here for the next 2 months. Let me help you out. Here is a list of every single thing that's included in all 3 of these packages. You can pause the screen, you can read them. If you want to learn more about each one, you can do that on the homepage of 5-day deal here, but I think it's easier just to look at this list. Now, obviously, we've got all the haters that are saying this is a scam and all this stuff is garbage and it's worthless, and you can get all this stuff for free on YouTube. And probably some of it is. To be perfectly honest, I don't know who a lot of these people are. I don't know what all these products are, but I do recognize a lot of these names, and I recognize a lot of these products. I've actually seen them before, and many of them are awesome. I mean, obviously, anything Jerry Johannes makes is awesome. SLR Lounge, we're great friends with those guys. I've seen the complete posing workshop. It's an amazing tutorial itself. Pro EDU also makes awesome tutorials. They have the business of retouching. They have the master collection of 200 creative overlays. And then they also have the beverage photography and retouching with Rob Grimm. I've actually seen that tutorial. It's awesome. They used to sell it for 300 bucks, and now you can get it included in the package. As you know, Flern makes the best Photoshop tutorials on the internet, and they have an intro to Photoshop tutorial right here. And then obviously there's a million more products by photographers that I've personally never heard of. Maybe you've heard of them, maybe you're excited about some of those products. I don't know. The truth is, you're not going to like everything in this bundle, but even if you just like 3 or 4 things in this bundle, it's still an amazing price. For those of you who are interested in this and you do want to buy it, I'm going to go through the entire buying process right now and downloading these products, because I'm not exactly sure how it works myself and I keep getting questions about it. So let's go ahead and scroll all the way down, and I'm going to buy the triple pack for 152 bucks, buy the bundle, charity bonus, and pro bundle add-on. Okay, I'm gonna put in all my info here and go to next step. As you can see, I've got all 3 bundles here, the complete photography bundle, the pro bundle add-on, and the charity bonus. All combined are 152 bucks. I'm going to pay with credit card. All right, first page that comes up, I get to choose my own charity, which is cool. I like Make a Wish. All done, finish my order, take me to the receipt. Okay, it's now trying to upsell me to some SD card. I think what they're doing here is they're putting everything from this bundle on an SD card and they'll mail it to you so you don't have to download a million things. If you want to do that, go for it. I'm going to try to download it. Let's see if this works. Okay, congratulations on getting the best photography bundle, blah, blah, blah. Next steps, giveaway, join customer Facebook group. Like, I agree with you guys. This is too complicated. There's too much going on here, too much text. Okay, if you scroll down, here are all of the products, and you can see the download attempts remaining. You have 10 download attempts per product. I'm just gonna try to download here. Let's see, boom, downloading instantaneously. Okay, that's nice. So we're not having to jump through any more hoops. You literally just click on it from here and it works. Now, if you're looking specifically for the art behind the headshot, the tutorial that we have in here, I found it easiest to find it just by hitting Control F and searching for Fstoppers or Command F on a Mac. And as you can see, like halfway down the page, there are 2 files, 1 of 2 and 2 of 2. These are zip files. You just click on them and it instantly starts downloading. Super simple. I would imagine that most people are probably really excited about a few products and then other ones they don't really care about at all. Maybe you already know how to use Photoshop, so anything related to a Photoshop tutorial you don't want to download, then don't download it. But this list makes it really easy to click on exactly what you want and only download the files that you're excited to see. Okay, I hope that I've been able to answer everyone's questions. You know how to buy it, what you're buying, and then how to actually get the files. For everyone who says that $6,000 worth of stuff for $152 is still too expensive, I don't think we're going to make you guys happy, but for everyone else, you only have 2 more days to take advantage of this bundle. Click on the link below and check it out for yourself.